How to fix login errors on Zelle. If you're having issues logging into your Zelle account, there could be many reasons. First of all, you want to simply make sure that it's not the issue with the internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. The next thing we can do is it could be that the issue is with the application. If you're on Android, you can simply clear the cache and then offload the data. For iPhone users, you can open up settings, then simply go to general, then go to iPhone storage. Once you go to iPhone storage, over here you want to simply search for the Zelle application by going to the show all option, and here let me just go ahead and then search for the Zelle app. And once you find the Zelle app, you want to make sure to clear the data of the Zelle application here, or you can also try to just offload the app to see if that helps you. Last but not the least, the issue could also be actually with your login details. So you want to make sure that your phone number is correct, and also make sure to enter the verification code and other credentials correctly to see if that actually helps you. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.